Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to understand bill negotiation fees in Rocket Money. So actually guys, at first you will need to know how the Rocket Money bill negotiation fees works. So when Rocket Money successfully lower a bill like internet, phone, cable, etc., they charge a one-time success fee. So you pay the 35% to 60% of your first year's saving, and you choose the exact percentage before the negotiation starts, right? So how the fees is calculated? For a simple example, if Rocket Money saves you $10 a month, so that means $120 year savings. And you choose a 40% fee, so you pay 48 one time. So you keep the rest of the saving, and the fee is based on 12 months of savings, not just 1 month. So the key things people misunderstand, we have at first, you only pay if they succeed. So if they can't lower your bill, that means no fee. And if even you cancel later, so the fee is still based on the full 12-month estimates, right, or year. And the fee is one time, not monthly, so it's charged once after success, not recurring. So when you get charged after successful negotiation, and usually within a short window after confirmation, sometimes within 48 hours. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.